Hello, this is Spencer Pines here with iReviews. Today doing my unboxing of this impact driver kit from Hart Tools. In addition to this video, there will be a more structured video review as well as a written review, which should be available in the description below. It's the impact driver kit from Hart. As I said before, this is Walmart's tool brand, so you could find these at pretty much any Walmart. And there's a whole line of products that all actually use the same battery. So the battery that comes with this can be used on this leaf blower, weed whacker, vacuum, anything with the Hart name on it. The package is very heavy, kind of having some trouble turning it around and everything. But the impact driver kit, it includes a lithium ion battery and a fast charger. Okay, that's good. All right, and looking on the back here, it features up to 1,700 in pounds of torque for demanding applications and materials. I'm not exactly like a big tool guy. I'll use them occasionally for like cosplay stuff, which is probably what I'm going to use this for. But I don't really know a whole lot of these terms, I'll admit. Variable speed trigger for 0 to 2,500 RPM for faster, more controlled drilling and driving. A 1/4-inch connect chunk allows fast and easy bit changes. Wonderful. LED work light for enhanced visibility and convenient onboard storage. Okay. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and get this open. All right, I think this is the battery. Yep. Yep, there's the battery itself. It's 20-volt battery. And there is the charger. The AC adapter. Looks like the battery just slides right into there. It's got the indicators on there. And then this is the drill itself, or the driver. Got the instructions there. Oh, that is a thick booklet. Wow. Okay. Well, I mean, it makes sense. This is a whole power tool. Comes in this plastic bag. And there's the drill, the driver itself. Anything else that comes in here? No. It doesn't come charged, but that's fine. I'll pop this in the charger. Very heavy. Seems very sturdy. Let's see how it feels with the battery on. A little top heavy. Ooh. Yeah, of course it didn't work. The battery wasn't in. Yep, got that light on there. Oh, there's like a kind of flash. I don't know what that is. It's kind of scaring me a little bit. Okay, well, it certainly is a impact driver. All right, I will get this tested out and all ready for my full review. Thank you.